In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stamp in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the tools up top, you want to hover over stamp, and then over here you have a bunch of different ones which are kind of the templates, but you could also click on import and then import a stamp from your computer, or alternatively you could also create one by clicking create stamp. It's going to allow you to actually set the dimensions, stuff like that. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that, press OK, and you can go ahead and then create your stamp in here, and then after that you'll be able to go ahead and save it, and then when you do that you'll be able to import it in here. Now I'm going to just use one of the pre-made ones, so I'm going to click tools, hover over stamp, and then over here I'm just going to use this one which says approved, and whenever you select that, of course you can then go ahead and just draw it over. Okay, so for example, if I do approved here, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and stamp it on. If it doesn't work, make sure you have actually unlocked your drawing over here, which I have forgotten to do. There we go. So tools and stamp, and then I do approved. There we go, and I can go ahead and just draw it out wherever I want to. And as you can see, here's now the stamp. You can go ahead and set the opacity up here, for example, to like 40. You could go ahead and change different line colors, etc., and then you can of course change however you want it to look, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.